Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 4. We will be presenting our mini project. Before we start our presenting project, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dini Kamijan and my card matrix number is 077DKA24F1091. Secondly, my teammate name is Muhammad Asafi bin Adli and his card matrix is 07DKA24F1022. Thirdly, my teammate name is Muhammad Aiman Safwan bin Lamika and his card matrix number is 07DKA24F1063. And lastly, my teammate name is Iman Ashraf bin Lamsan and his card matrix number is 07DKA24F1010. So let me start for the introduction. Basically, our project is to build a house that is strong and stable using a material that have a good quality and long term. The material we use is hardwood, which is timber, reinforced concrete, which is concrete, common clay brick, which is brick, and galvanized steel, which is steel. Secondly, this house cost is 350,000 ringgit. Thirdly, this house is 12 times 12 square feet and 4 meter height and have 2 bedroom, 1 master room, 2 toilet, 1 bathroom, 1 kitchen, dining room, living room, and garage. The size for the bedroom is 3 times 3 square feet, master room 6 times 6 square feet include with toilet, bathroom and toilet is 3 times 3 square feet, kitchen is 4 times 4 square feet, dining room and living room is 7 times 7 square feet, and garage is 4 times 4 square feet. The color for this house is sky blue because reflect more light and absorb less heat. Other than that, for the floor we use vinyl flooring because easy to install and maintain. Other than that, it has good durability and resilience. For the window, we use tinted with UV protection. Secondly, for the furniture, we already saved 100,000 ringgit for furniture in this house. Other than that, we also have backyard with a swimming pool. The swimming pool is size 7 times 7 square feet. This house using material with high quality. For example, firstly, for the house trusses, we use hardwood. Secondly, for the wall, we use reinforced concrete. Thirdly, for the wall and roof, we use common clay bricks. Lastly, for the fence and window, we use galvanized steel. This house located at Kampung Warisan Lorong 7 Sepanggar. Hardwood is a deciduous trees such as oak, maple, cherry, and walnut. Hardwood is often used for furniture, flooring, and cabinetry to its strength, aesthetic appeal, and resistant to wear. Reinforced concrete is a composite material that combines concrete and steel reinforcement to enhance its strength and durability. Concrete is strong in compression but weak in tension. And lastly, common clay brick is a widely used building material made from natural clay that is shaped and fired at high temperature. These bricks are typically used for masonry construction, including walls, pavements, and roof house. Galvanized steel is steel that has been coated with layer of zinc protected from corrosions. This process extends the lifespan of steel products, making them suitable from various and industrial applications. Benefit for using galvanized steel is low maintenance and durability. People use galvanized steel for construction materials, fencing, roofing, and automatic parts. So for the 2.0 about the building design and sketch drawing, we have 4 designs.
So for the 3.0, I will introduce about the selection material. The first material we choose is a concrete. The concrete used for our wall for our house project. And the reason of the selection because it is easy to install, high compressive strength, resistant to weathering, chemical attack and erosion, and the last one is sustainability. And for the advantage, reinforced concrete have fire resistant and low maintenance. And for the disadvantage, It's susceptible to cracking under tension or extreme condition. And for the method construction, we applied the cement-based concrete to the wall and ensure the surface was finished to a smooth and level condition. And then for the second material is we choose timber, hardwood. Function is for our house roof trusses. And the reason we choose this material because it can moderate to high strength. It has a good thermal insulation properties, strong durability and sustainability. And for the advantages, hardwood have a water resistant and long lasting. For the disadvantages, hardwood can unfreeze because hardwood can weather and lose its color. For the methods construction, we can connect the hardwood using component nails, screw or metal connectors. Step 2, we need to install diagonal bracing if required for additional stability. And last step, to finish the truss, we need to put and sand rock edges if necessary. And then for the second material, which is brick, we have choice the common clay bricks for our wall and our roof. The reason for the material is we have four. The first one is common clay bricks have a fracture strength which is approximately 1.0 to 1.5 MPa. It has higher density, often correlates with increased strength. It has fire resistance, and lastly, it has sustainability. For the advantages, common clay brick have a high resistance to weathering, pest, and erosion. For the disadvantages, the cost of common clay bricks is generally more expensive than some alternative materials. And lastly, for the method of construction, start from the corner and lay bricks in row. Next, reinforced brick masonry. Third, arch and vault construction, which is involved creating arch and vault, and we need to cover the brick using cement concrete.
Material 4. Steel. Usage used for fence and windows. Reason to choose steel have 4 points. Number 1, can be recycled. Number 2, very durable. Number 3, needs little maintenance. And lastly, number 4, sustainable material. These also have advantage and disadvantage. For advantage, very strong, allowing longer spans and less material use. For disadvantage, can corrode. How to use? Ensure the surface is clean and free from debris before placing the steel. Position the steel and ensure it is strong and connected securely.
The project to surrounding community in terms of environmental is it can protect the environment because we use green product and recyclable materials. It also can protect the house from fire because our material is fire resistant. Lastly, all the materials can be provided without destroying the nature. In conclusion, we choose the material after gathering all the information we need to build strong and stable house. So this material full from our criteria. Other than that, this material not just eco-friendly but it have affordable cost for all people. Finally, we have discussed to choose this material for our mini project house. So this is our mini project Gantt chart. You can look our activity we do all the week, start week 1 until week 14. Okay, so before we close our presentation, this is our reference that we collect all the information about concrete, timber, brick and steel. So we put 10 website that we always search to find about the information timber brick and steel and concrete. So I think that's all from us. Thank you to watch our presentation about our mini house project, and goodbye.